Hi all, welcome back to the Weekend Mama. Today I am doing deep cleaning of my kitchen appliances. Kitchen appliances really saves time and energy in the kitchen. We use them daily and so that they need regular cleaning. Most of us want to keep our homes clean and enjoy the tidy environment. It makes us feel comfortable, and good housekeeping suggests regular cleaning of kitchen appliances. But sometimes, when we can't find a time due to some other responsibilities, or when we go for a vacation, or if kids need our help in exam preparations, or if guests stay with us for some days, and the list goes on. We all sail in the same boat, and sometimes when we neglect cleaning, the result is exactly the same you are watching now. So, let's start the deep cleaning together. To clean all the things with the natural ingredients, we need baking soda, vinegar, and dishwashing liquid. They all are very powerful cleaners. We only need to know how to use them properly. So, without further delay, let's get started today's video. You can clean the chimney filters in many different ways. Caustic soda, chemicals, harsh soaps, and so many other things can be used to clean the chimney. But today I am going to share a very easy to clean and natural method of chimney cleaning. To clean chimney filters, we need baking soda, white vinegar, any dishwashing liquid which has lime grease cleaner, this type of a scrubbing brush. If you don't have brush, use this scrub pad. Steel wool, one metal brush. If you don't have metal brush, use toothbrush. Hand gloves, microfiber cloth, and one spray bottle. Here I am using drain lock to lock the sink. Add 4 tablespoons of baking soda, 1 cup of vinegar, and 3 tablespoons of dishwashing liquid. I am using water heater to heat the water. You can boil on gas stove. Add hot water and let them dissolve with each other. Be careful of hot water. Power off the chimney and remove the chimney filters. Dip them into the hot water solution. Be sure that the filters are completely immersed in the water. Soak them for an hour. Believe me, once you clean chimney filters with this method, you will never use any other way. It's easy and quick. To clean the chimney hood, we need vinegar, dishwashing liquid, spray bottle, and a cup of water. Add equal quantity of water and vinegar. Add half teaspoon of dishwashing liquid and the solution is ready. Spray the solution on entire chimney body and clean easily with the help of microfiber cloth and any brush. To clean microwave oven, we need a microwave safe bowl, white vinegar, microfiber cloth and a cup of water. To clean microwave oven, we will combine vinegar and water equally in a microwave safe bowl. Place the bowl into the microwave for 5 minutes or until the mixture boils and the window steams up. Let it sit and cool for 15 minutes, then open the door of microwave oven and remove the bowl followed by turntable. This way your microwave breaks down the tough stains and grease and you can easily clean it. Don't forget to clean the door and outer part of the microwave oven. Now it's time to clean turntable. Wash it thoroughly with soap and water and let it dry completely before putting back. To clean the microwave oven, I am plugging it off. Before you attempt to clean any electric appliance, always unplug it first. First clean it with the dry cloth and then dip the cloth in the water vinegar solution and wipe down thoroughly. I am using the same boiled solution to clean the inner and outer part of the body. To clean a toaster, we need a white vinegar, dishwashing liquid, a cup of water, brushes, microfiber cloth and a spray bottle. Mix equal amount of water and vinegar. I am taking 1 cup of water and 1 cup of vinegar. Half a teaspoon of dishwashing liquid and the cleaning solution is ready. Remove the crumb tray and wash it well. Turn the toaster upside down and pat it to remove the crumbs. Use brush to reach any crumbs still stuck inside the toaster. Do not put fingers, it can hurt you. Spray the solution on the microfiber cloth and clean the surfaces you want. Wipe down thoroughly. Clean the debris from the small spaces with the help of a brush. To clean the food processor, we need white vinegar, dishwashing liquid, a cup of water, brush, microfiber cloth and a spray bottle. Mix 1 part water, 1 part of white vinegar with few drops of dishwashing liquid in a spray bottle. Spray the solution on the surfaces you want to clean and wipe down with the help of a microfiber cloth. Clean the debris from the small spaces with the help of a brush. Things need maintenance and maintenance needs time and effort. And when we invest our time and effort both, the end results are too obvious. If you really like this video, please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and share this video. We'll come with a new video soon. Till then, bye bye, take care.